Here's the deal. I don't like ribs. He likes ribs because I know how to cook them. Why are you gonna say that? And we both like hot wings. So we're gonna make hot wing style ribs, and we're calling them rib wings. So what we're gonna do is, since we're doing hot wing style ribs, we're gonna take these ribs, break them up into individual pieces, and then cook them hot and fast on the VORTEX. Is that like the cassette single of the record? It is. It's the New Kids on the Block, Hanging Tough, B-side, The Right Stuff. Okay. Yeah. So that was specific and weird. And accurate. Yep. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a load of the hot charcoal and put it inside here, and this is the VORTEX. Essentially what it does is create like an active volcano within the kettle, and it turns your kettle into like an air fryer. Okay. So it's gonna be super hot heat. We're gonna have all the ribs out here individually. Once they're done, we're gonna toss them in some sauce. Oh, it's gonna be delicious. Sauce toss. So let's get to prepping these rib junts. Smell my hands. Open that junt up. Oh, everywhere. That smells terrible. These don't smell good. No. Let me go get 2 more things. Okay. Oh. So I had to run to the store and get some new ribs because those were a little funky. So we got them Prairie Fresh Natural. So this is Heath Riles garlic jalapeno rub. Really good. Since these are wings, we're gonna get them a little spicy, salty goodness right here. Ooh, look at these, man. Rib wings. I'm gonna say world's first ever, but then I'm gonna find like 68 million videos on YouTube where someone's already done this. But for now, world's first ever rib wings. I got some ranch in the house. Whoa. I gotta know, man. I got to know. I think we should try it. I'm gonna try it. We're gonna line these up. Those look so good. Just like this. I don't. Where'd you get this grill? This is not mine. It's not yours. Where'd you get this from? Billy Labonte, thank you so much, from Hammy Sagar Barbecue. Oh, check us out because I'm on the team too. We got all of them arranged. We're gonna put the lid on and let these things cook. Every 15 minutes, we're gonna come out here and turn this. See the flames come out the top. That's how you know it's working. Every 15 minutes, we're gonna come and turn this 90 degrees, so you get even air flowage throughout the cook process. I'm gonna tell you, I'm super pumped about these. High five? Nope. Later. Don't do that. All right, so we got to make a wing sauce for our, what are they? Rib wings? Rib wings. Rib wings. And we're going to go homegrown, super fresh on these little habanero junts right here. And we're going to use How many are you going to put in that sauce? I don't know, maybe 2. I'm just going to pop them off here. Look at that harvest. I don't even know what to do with all these. I got so many. Yeah, that looks good. All right, let's do it. So the habaneros are gonna be the base of our wing sauce. We're gonna make this sort of like we made, if you've ever saw our ghost pepper wings episode, there's probably like a little link or something right here. For that one, we used carrot juice, but for this one, we're gonna use a little bit of orange juice. I think we're gonna go 2. Okay. I think we're gonna go 2. Let's try 2, yeah. All right, we're gonna do some honey, so it's gonna kind of be like a honey gold. Get a lot of that in there. It's gotta be sweet. Then some apple cider vinegar. A little bit of tang. Like that. And then some Worcestershire. Okay. Here we're gonna put some garlic in. Probably about that much. What I'm not putting in here is any salt because we already have a rub on the rib wings. So it's gonna have rub on the ribs, toss them in a sweet sauce. And heat. So what I'm gonna do is after I blend this up, I'm gonna cook it down a little bit and reduce it here. Yep. And the last thing we'll do before we put it on the ribs is we'll heat it up, throw some butter in. That's our wing sauce. I'm excited about that. It's good. 2's good enough? Yeah, 2's good enough. So that is super liquidy, right? Yep. But we're gonna reduce it down. Okay. And once we throw that butter in, it's gonna be a good coat. Let's reduce that. Recycle, reduce, and use. Yeah, so it's been on there for 30 minutes. Oh, they're looking so good. We're gonna go ahead and flipperoo.
Just want to get some even cookage.
Are they going to go another, what, 30 minutes maybe?
Yeah, probably about another 30.
Okay.
Yeah.
Little meddlesome. Shout out.
Yo, Richie, Ben, thanks for making a hellas. So, we're going to put this on right here. All right, man, this smells so good, right?
Yeah.
Smell that. Get you some of that.
I smell.
Get you some of that. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it smells good, right?
Yeah.
Whoa, that looks awesome.
I mean, it's proven. It's tender. Okay, them junts are done.
So this right here is, what, 45 minutes, right?
Yeah, 45 minutes.
45-minute rib wangs.
Yep, we're going to throw some sauce on it. We're going to crumble some blue cheese on top and cut up chives. It's going to get dirty. Hey, you're in luck.
Too.
We got some ranch.
You got some Garibaldi's ranch?
Ooh. Look at these things right here. Look at that. We've tasted these. And there's like kind of consensus this is the best ribs we've ever had. We're going to do a stick of butter in our sauce.
Yep.
We're just going to melt it down.
Yep.
There's heat in here. There's honey. It's really sweet. Ow. It's really spicy. Our rib wings are done.
Okay.
Our wing sauce is done.
Yep.
The last thing we got to do is just like sauce and toss these things.
Sauce, toss.
Get in there. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. That looks so good.
Ooh, that looks good.
Wow. Yes.
You need like one of those big like bowls. You go to Mr. P's in the back and you're like,
Yes.
yeah. We're going to crumble some blue cheese on top.
Okay.
All right.
Yep.
These are wings, right?
Yeah.
Chive action.
Heck yeah. Oh man.
Oh no. Here comes the ranch.
This is it. So dirty. All right, that's it. So these are our rib wings. Uncle Josh and Pop are going to give it a shot. Tell us how it is.
Oh, that's good. Especially with that blue cheese on there.
Yeah. You know how ribs sometimes are so rich?
Mm-hmm.
These are so good.
They are good.
All right.
You could probably eat all these and not have a problem.
We will.
They're so good.
Mm-hmm. Don't worry, we will.
All right, y'all come and have one.
Oh my goodness, they're covered with sauce. Where do I eat
Oh.
it? Where is it? These are good.
Like it?
Awesome.
Aren't they really good?
They're really good.
Mm-hmm. Rib wings.
Love them.
It is a little warm. I have to try it. I have to go into the ranch.
Oh, that's gross.
I gotta go. I know.
Wait,
but
put it in the ranch?
They don't need it, Jared. Here, try the ranch.
Well, I already bit into it.
That's okay.
But it don't hurt either.
High five. Okay, Josh.
Oh, that's gross.
10 times better with the ranch.
It's really good. Come on, get a ranch wing.
There's blue cheese.
Oh! No.
I'm down with the ranch here.
No, I cannot do it.
I'm down. Come on, Pop.
I really don't want to, but I will.
All right.
Ugh.
It's
These are
good, but
probably
they're so
the best
good by
ribs I ever
themselves.
had.
That's
Why would-
amazing.
Yeah, they're my favorite ribs.
See?
Okay, wait,
What did you tell me earlier?
Wait.
What did you
Okay,
tell me
dinner
earlier?
high five fans that don't like ribs like me. Those are different. They're better.
I don't like ribs either. But these are amazing.
They're hot though.
All right.
High five.
No.
Come on.